Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. When a brand new or newly overhauled multi-million-dollar vessel sets sail on its maiden voyage, a high-stakes technical guardian walks the decks to ensure every complex mechanical system performs flawlessly, the guaranteed engineer. Sent directly by the shipbuilder or engine manufacturer, this elite specialist acts as the technical representative on board during the critical initial warranty period. The primary mission of the guaranteed engineer is to safeguard the vessel's operational integrity, monitor new machinery performance, and immediately resolve any technical glitches before they turn into costly sea failures. Deep in the heart of the engine room, modern marine propulsion engines, dual fuel systems, and complex heat exchangers run through rigorous, real-world operational cycles. The guaranteed engineer continuously tracks operational parameters, analyzing fuel consumption rates, exhaust gas temperatures, cylinder pressures, and mechanical vibration readings against baseline factory design specifications. If an unexpected alarm triggers or a thermal anomaly appears on a main bearing, the guaranteed engineer brings specialized diagnostic expertise directly to the problem, troubleshooting complex electronic controllers, hydraulic actuators, and fuel delivery networks. Beyond main engine oversight, the guaranteed engineer monitors all critical auxiliary equipment across the vessel, including turbochargers, diesel generators, scrubbers, ballast water treatment plants, and automated power management switchboards. Operating a new vessel at sea reveals hidden stress points that factory sea trials cannot fully simulate. The guaranteed engineer works alongside the ship's crew, guiding them through proper operation procedures, sharing advanced technical insights, and helping junior engineers master complex manufacturer protocols. Saltwater exposure, ocean wave dynamics, and continuous heavy load conditions place extreme stress on fresh machinery. When component failures occur, the guaranteed engineer immediately coordinates with the shipyard and global equipment suppliers, ordering replacement parts, managing official warranty claims, and overseeing precise repair procedures to prevent operational downtime. Possessing an extensive background in marine engineering, thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, and automated machinery control, this specialist serves as the vital bridge between ship owners, crew members, and the shipbuilder. By maintaining relentless vigilance, conducting expert diagnostics, and providing hands-on guidance during the most crucial phase of a ship's life, the guaranteed engineer ensures that newly built vessels transition smoothly into reliable ocean service, keeping global maritime trade moving safely across the high seas. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.